What's up guys, this is Aban from TechNY9 and I am doing a review slash unboxing of the Steady Boost Flex Wireless Charger by Spigen. Before we start this video, if you guys can subscribe, like, and hit the bell icon for me at the bottom of the video, it really helps out my channel. It's the red button right on the bottom. Go ahead and do that right now. I'll wait. Did you do it? Alright, here we go. Let's get this started. Alright, let's take a look at this box. Okay, it's a really nice sturdy box. I mean, Spigen is known for their products, so I've had plenty of cases from Spigen, so I know from experience that this is going to be a good product. Let's get this knife, open it up. I think it's overkill with the knife, but you know what, might as well go big, right? Alright, let's open this up. Oh, let's put that thing away. Let's put that bad boy away first before someone gets hurt. Come on, put that away right away, okay? Before you hurt yourself. Put it away. Just do it. Hurry up, okay? Come on, let's go. All right, here we go. Okay, let's get this open. All right, where is it? There you go. You're on the side. All right, we get this open on the side. Here we go. Okay. We'll open up this box and take a look what's inside the box right now, guys, okay? I'm excited right now. Aren't you guys excited right now? I'm excited. Let's take a look. I've been wanting a charger like this for a while, and honestly I want to tell you guys, I'm doing this for you guys, okay? This charger has been sitting in my home for about a week. I haven't opened it because I really was so excited to make this video for you guys, so I just said, you know what, I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna open this for you guys. I want you guys to see this and enjoy it with me. Here we go. Let's take a look. What do we have inside the box, guys? Alright, we got the charger on the left. We got some usual books. Alright, so this is just kind of like a health information. It kind of says thank you, you know, they just thank you for spending money with them, which is nice, you know, at least they're thanking us for buying their product. Alright, so Steady Boost Spigen. Alright, it tells you basically how to use it. It gives you different ways of how to use it, how not to use it, all the different angles you can actually put the phone on there. Alright, that's is good. Some of it is in a different language, probably. I'm not sure if it's Chinese or Japanese, but it's one of the languages. Alright, anyways, let's take a look. Really nice, okay? It's light but very sturdy and strong. It feels good in the hand. Alright, that is a USB-C cable. I really like the USB-C cable. Alright, so it's wrapped around this cable. We're gonna have to actually unwrap that because that's a really nice feature that they leave on there. It doesn't come off. I want to tell you guys, this cable is made out of some really nice material. I felt like it's super sturdy and strong. Okay, so let's take a look at the actual charger. It's got this hinge mechanism on it. I really feel that's amazing. This is the main reason I actually bought it, so I'm able to use it either ways. Okay, I want to be able to use it standing up because I really like the standing up. It's perfect for me when I'm going to bed. In the morning when I get an alarm, I wake up at 4 o'clock in the morning. Okay, my job, my full-time regular job is at the hospital, and I need to wake up early in the morning, and I want to have it sitting up so I can hit the snooze button about 15 times. So that is perfect for me. I need it standing up like that. For those of you that don't want it standing up and you just want it flat like that, you can always do that. Okay, it charges both ways. Let's plug it in, guys, and we will take a look what this is all about. Here we go. Get some popcorn, get some soda, relax, and enjoy the video. Alright, let's take a look. Really nice, okay? Okay, so now, once you plug it in, there's a red LED that comes up down there. I don't know if you guys saw that just as soon as I plugged it in, but I wanted to show it to you, okay? Here we go. There we go. Put it on top, it starts charging right away. Alright, so if you don't have it on there, it's gonna turn red. Once you put it on top, it turns a really nice blue. It's a subdued blue. It's not too bright, so that way you can actually go to sleep properly and it doesn't bother you at nighttime. Okay, which is what I like. All right, There you go, there's a blue light right there, and your phone is going to show that you're charging up there. You can see the little lightning bolt. I really wanted to show you guys the stand-up charge, so here we go. I've got to adjust this for you a little bit so that way you can put the phone on there. There we go, it clicks into place perfectly just like that, and then you see it's charging 46%, but it's charging, and the light turns blue. You guys see that? It's a nice relaxed blue, just the way I like it. I don't like too bright. You need to be able to sleep at night. You don't need too many distractions at nighttime. We already have our phones as distractions. This is perfect. What do you guys think about this product? Do you guys like it? Or what about Spigen products in general? If you guys have any comments, leave it down below. I'd love to hear what you guys think about it. One negative, guys, was that it would take about 10 to 20 seconds for the phone to be recognized on top of the charger. But other than that, it's a good charger. It will get the job done. It's a 15-watt charger, and I would definitely recommend it. So that is a review and unboxing of the Spigen wireless charger. If you guys like this review, subscribe, like, and hit the bell icon for me at the bottom of the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.